Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to delete auto call record in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Suppose if you have enabled auto call record and if you have done call recording in your phone, if you would like to delete a call recording file, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the Samsung folder here and go to My Files, and here go to internal storage and go to recordings and locate call folder. Here you will have all recorded file. Okay, just click on the file and then click on delete here. Click on delete and click on move to recycle bin, and they will be moved to recycle bin after deleting. And now go to recycle bin, go back, and you will have recycle bin. Just go there, and here too you have to remove call recording. Okay, otherwise this can be accessible. Okay, click on delete here, click on delete, and yes, call recording has been deleted in your phone. So in this way you can easily delete call recorded file in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.